What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own personal sticker with your pictures. So we're in a group. We're going to use a group for an example. You can also do it in a personal chat. Now come over to your emoji right here, click on it, then come over to create. Once you click on create, a window opens up. Then you can choose a picture wherever your picture is, whether it's in your document. Just look for it. So I'm going to use this clock. Click on it. Click on open. So right now I'm going to crop it first to remove all the sides that I don't need. So let's bring this to the front. Yep. Then bring this right here. Then come back up here and click on crop. If you want to change your cropping, you can come back here and reset it. So let me just click crop and done. It has been cropped. So right now I need to cut around the clock. So I'm going to come over here to clock to cut right here and click on the cut. Then come down here and start cutting around the clock. Food is gonna be good. Oh no, I made a mistake. My hand's not really that steady. Okay, I'm gonna try not cutting into the clock itself and just cut around it. Okay, oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so now it's gonna touch the way I started from. Done. So you can see right here, though it's not perfect exactly, but we've already cut out the edges and we have basically what we want. So now we can either put a emoji on it we want to, or we could just put text. So let's put in text and write something here. I am timeless. Okay, then click away to the side, then drag this down. Okay, now you can also change the background color if you want. You can see here background. We can remove the color. Then we can add any other one we want. The text color, you can see different color. So this is the text color. We can change it. Let's make it red. Okay. Then clicking again on the background. So we have the background back again. So I think you can only change from white. You can like remove the background, then add it back, which is going to be white basically. Then we have sans serif. You can change the fonts if you want. You can have it like this. Okay, so I think this is the only options it has here. This is the only option it has. Then you can change the position of the text. You want it to the side, center. So let's click here. There's not that much, so don't have way to go to. Okay, so this is it. Now we can send it. Click the arrow, and this is it right here. Automatically, it will also be saved right here. So later on, let's close this. Let's click on it again. You can see. So automatically it's going to be right here and we can reuse it again. So that's how you can create stickers from the WhatsApp desktop. Though you can't do this on the mobile app yet. You can only do it on the desktop app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.